Hi everyone, welcome to CodeTav Management. So today we will solve the problem reverse first k elements of q. Okay. So the question is given an integer k and a queue of integers, we need to reverse the order of the first k elements of the queue, leaving the other elements in the same relative order. Okay. So here only following standard operations are allowed. This NQ, DQ, size, font. Okay, you can read the description of it. Okay, and you also can check the operations. So here the input is 5, 3. Five elements will be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, and 3. So from 3 you need to reverse. Okay, so 3. So when you will reverse from 3, so it will be 3 to 1, and these rest elements will be as usual. So it will be 3 to 1, 4, 5 in this way. Okay. So in the next, the number of elements is 4, and from 4 you need to reverse. So 4 is the first element here, like 4, 3, 2, 1. So you need to reverse totally. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be output. So your expected time complexity should be order of n, O of n, and expected space complexity of big O of k. Okay. So what we have done here, so class GFG is already there, and this uh, modify queue, that method is also there, which takes basically a queue, uh, which is integer type, and an integer k as the parameters, and returns a modified queue. Okay. So then what we are doing, like this line, we are just creating a stack, which is the stack to temporarily store the first k elements of the queue. Okay. So next, what we are doing, so we are just using this for loop. So this loop dequeues the first k elements from the original queue. Okay. Original queue was our queue here. Okay. So it basically dequeues the first k elements from the original queue and pushes them. So this with the help of stack.push, we just pushes them onto the stack. So this effectively reverse their order. Okay. So it basically we are reversing. This logic is there, and after that this while loop we are using for like to pop the elements from the stack and enqueue them back into the original queue. So now the first k elements are reversed in the queue. Okay. So next what we are doing, we are just enqueuing the remaining elements back into the queue. So basically this loop dequeues and enqueues the remaining elements after the reversed k elements. Okay. So it maintains the relative order of these elements, and at the last, finally, what we are doing, we are just modified the queue, which is returned. Okay. So basically the overall logic or algo, you can say, that basically involves using a stack to reverse the first k elements and then carefully combining them with the remaining elements in the original queue to achieve our desired reversal according to our requirement. Okay. So this is our logic. So if you have any other question or any other approach, you just can comment down, and obviously just try more and more. Give me another problem, like if you have any other problems, you also can share that one. Okay. By the way, I'm just submitting it to check that it's accepting or not. So you all can see that 1120 test cases were there and all passed. Okay. So here total time taken is 3.7. So yeah, so done. So just do like, share, and subscribe as much as possible, and share with your friends, and keep supporting and keep practicing. Thank you all.